Hello guys, today we shall learn some important question answer from the tenses. Question 1. We know each other for 5 years. Answer. We have known each other for 5 years. Question 2. The other day I met a magician in the market. Answer. The other day I met a magician in the market. Question 3. She said that she will her friends. Answer. She said that she would her friends. Question 4. The boys play in the garden when the tree fell down. Answer. The boys were playing in the garden when the tree falls down. Question 5. I wish I be a king. Answer. I wish I were a king. Question 6. The boy sleep. Don't disturb him. Answer. The boy is sleeping. Don't disturb him. Question 7. She read a book when I show her. Answer. She was reading a book when I show her. Question 8. She be a teacher since 2002. Answer. She has been a teacher since 2002. Question 9. The bell rang after we finished our work. Answer. The bell rang after we had finished our work. Question 10. Please ring me up as soon as he comes. Answer. Please ring me up as soon as he comes. Question 11. It is time we go to bed. Answer. It is time we went to bed. Question 12. She behaved as if she knew everything. Answer. She behaves as if she knew everything. Question 13. If it rains, we shall not go out. Answer. If it rains, we shall not go out. Question 14. If I get a lottery, I could buy a car. Answer. If I got a lottery, I could buy a car. Question 15. We complete the homework just now. Answer. We have completed the homework just now. Question 16. The thief go before the police came. Answer. The thief had gone before the police came. Question 17. He always go to school. Answer. He always goes to school. Question 18. I composed this song last night. Answer. I composed this song last night.